In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Gemini AI formula in Google Sheets. Welcome! Whether you're a Google Sheets guru or just starting out, by the end of this session, you'll be equipped with a neat tool to enhance your spreadsheet skills. Let's dive into the process. First up, you'll need to have your Google Sheet open. This step is crucial because all the magic we'll be doing today starts in the ever-friendly, user-facing environment of Google Sheets. If you don't have a sheet ready to go, take your time to open one before we proceed. Once you've got your Google Sheet open and ready, look up at the menu bar at the top of your screen. You'll want to look for the Extensions menu. Go ahead and give it a click. This is where we're going to access the wonderful world of AppScript. Underneath Extensions, you should see an option labeled AppScript. Clicking on this will open a new tab where you'll be able to write some custom code. Don't worry if this seems a bit intimidating. We're not going to dive deep into complex coding, just a little scripting to get the functionality we need. Now we're in the AppScript environment. This is where the magic happens. In this space, you'll write a custom function that will allow the Google Sheet to communicate with Gemini AI. This custom function is essentially a short piece of code that will harness the power of Gemini AI right inside your spreadsheet. Write the function, keeping in mind the specific functionality you wish to achieve. Once you've written the function, don't forget to save your script. This might sound straightforward, but it's a crucial step. Saving will ensure that all your hard work doesn't get lost, and more importantly, it will integrate your custom code with the Google Sheet. Simply click the Save icon or press Ctrl+S if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts. Now that you've saved the script, let's head back to our Google Sheet. This integration isn't just for show. The next time you use your custom function within a cell, you'll notice something fantastic. The function will call on Gemini AI, and the AI's response will be placed directly within the cell where you use the function. Essentially, we're bringing AI insights right where we need them most, directly into our data input workflow. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've effectively extended the power of Google Sheets by taking full advantage of what Gemini AI has to offer. It's a great way to enhance your data manipulation prowess, all thanks to a neatly integrated custom function. Happy spreadsheeting, and I hope you find this new capability as exciting as I do.